My video guide is about removing the ransomware that is called Payt. P-A-Y-T is the name of this ransomware. This particular ransomware is able to damage the files which people store on their computers. The ransomware affects Windows computers only. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration after encrypting them. So in the video I am demonstrating how exactly the ransomware damages the file. You have now clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Payt ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. After that, it is not possible to use the files anymore. All these files that people store on their hard drives um, are damaged and encrypted by this particular Payt ransomware. And Payt is a special extension that is added to the files. So you try to open the specific file and you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Payt extension, P-A-Y-T. So after the main file extension, we see that there is some unique identifier added, some email address, and finally this Payt extension, so it's not possible to open such files anymore. First thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the task manager of your computer. If you find any suspicious processes with long random names like this one, right-click on it and end its task. This can help you stop the further file encryption, and you can now clearly see that some files have been saved so far. So that's a good idea that you stop this ransomware through Task Manager as soon as you can. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately. We suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and we recommend you to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through this official website. You'll see this green download button, so download the installer, install the software, and then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system. The program will be in the trial mode initially, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and wait until the application updates its anti-malware database. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner Antivirus begins researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner is able to detect all sorts of threats, including adware, browser hijackers, unwanted browser extensions, of course ransomware. And by the way, while the scanning is taking place, please pay very careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected, but that feature of course is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is over. Then at the end of the scan you will see the whole picture of what is going on your computer. Combo Cleaner will mention the names of the threats, it will mention their exact locations on your device, and of course we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future. Premium license is what you need to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from its negative impact.